Scrap metal recycling has witnessed huge growth in the current year, owing to increasing environmental concerns, rising industrialization, and the movement toward a circular economy. Global scrap metal recycling market is estimated to be valued at $307.5 billion in 2024, and it is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.5% to reach $577.2 billion by the end of 2034. Recycling can reduce steel emissions by 50% and aluminum's carbon footprint by up to 25 times. Producers, especially those dealing with electric vehicles (EVs), and renewable energy, will have a higher demand for recycled metals, particularly energy transition metals including aluminum or lithium during that period. Technological changes are making metal recycling processes far more efficient, less costly, and less energy intensive. The operational cost and capital investment for starting up a scrap metal recycling business are very high, which discourages fresh entrants and small businesses. Increasing focus on waste management practices acts as a major driver for scrap metal recycling in the United States. The strong manufacturing sector in China is the key driver in scrap metal demand and recycling.